Today, I'll show you how to find your Google Ads conversion ID. Your conversion ID is used for Google Ads conversion tracking. You may need it when setting up a conversion tag in Google Tag Manager, adding tracking to a website, or connecting Google Ads with another tracking tool. First, open Google Ads and log in to your account. From the left menu, click the Goals icon. Now go to Conversions. Click Summary. Here, you will see the conversion actions created in your Google Ads account. Choose the conversion action you want to track. For example, this could be a purchase, lead form, phone call, sign up, or booking conversion. Click the conversion action to open its settings. Now look for the section called Tag Setup. Open Tag Setup, then choose Use Google Tag Manager. Google says this section shows the required conversion ID and conversion label. The conversion ID is unique to your Google Ads account, while the conversion label is unique to that specific conversion action. Now copy the conversion ID. It usually starts with AW-, followed by a series of numbers. Also copy the conversion label if you are setting up a Google Ads conversion tracking tag. Next, open Google Tag Manager if you are using it. Create a new tag and choose Google Ads conversion tracking. Paste the conversion ID into the conversion ID field. Then paste the conversion label into the conversion label field. After that, choose the trigger that should fire the conversion, such as a thank you page, purchase event, form submission, or booking confirmation. Save the tag, preview it, and publish the container when everything works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully found your Google Ads conversion ID. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.